The risk appetite is one of the crucial factors in achieving your financial goals. But how can an investor assess his risk appetite? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will explain this now.
It's a very interesting question, and it is very pertinent that every investor should be able to identify what is his or her risk appetite. So, there are few things which needs to be in mind while you are considering the risk appetite. One is the goal. So, whether the goal is short term, medium term, or long term, accordingly, the products are being suggested. We also have to consider the financial position of the individual. Say, for example, there could be a person who is well off, but he is jittery about the fall in the market. Then the equity products are, of course, not favorable for him. It is also important to understand at what stage of life he is in. He is just have started his job, or he is a middle-aged person, or he is approaching towards retiree, or he is probably a super senior citizen. So these are an important factors based on which you will be able to assess the risk appetite of a person. So I would probably suggest that thumb rule is the important part is you should also always look at the financial position of the family. If the family is sustaining on that only corpus, then the risk appetite is very low for that particular kind of a person. But if you are talking about a super senior citizen, where he is also considering that some part of money should be for estate planning or for the next generation, then probably the equity oriented products can also be looked at it. So typically goal, time, financial position, and the stage of life will help you to decide your risk appetite.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.